Contra Costa Powersports. We have a 2018 Yamaha R3. This bike has approximately 4,400 miles and is offered for $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We're super excited to have this Yamaha in because there's no Yamaha dealer in the county, and we love getting the pre-owned Yamahas in because they're really sought after bikes. This bike has a nice fender eliminator kit on the back, along with an Akrapovic exhaust on it that you'll hear in just a moment. Has frame sliders, flush mount blinkers up front, a semi-smoked windscreen, some adjustable levers. This is a great starter bike, commuter bike, and just kind of an entry-level bike that's fun to ride. Also has rear spools on the back there also. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.